How to edit photos using the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already and make sure you're logged in. Then you'll see an option called photo on the top of your screen. Right here, simply tap on it and tap allow to give Meitu the access to your phone. Then after tapping on it and selecting any one of the photos that you would like to edit, you can use all the options on the bottom of your screen like brushes, frames and stickers. Then after you have edited your photo, you can tap on the save button on the top right corner of your screen. And it is that easy. This is how you can edit photos using the Meitu app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.